What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this or this. So stay tuned. So the first thing I want to point out is I currently have just a regular light in my office turned on, which is providing the primary light for this video, and then I just have my monitors in the background which are lit. With regards to the camera, we're shooting at f5, 4K footage, and the ISO is at 2500. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off all the lights in here. The only thing you're going to see is me in the background, and then we'll start building up from there to set the different types of mood that we want. Alright, so right now the only thing you should be seeing is the monitors in the background. So the first thing it's going to do is I'm going to turn off my soft boxes. I have two soft boxes in my office, and there's one on the left and there's one on the right, and then in front of me I have a ring light which I'm not going to use for the second scenario, but that gives me that whole triangle sort of lighting that many professionals say is the way that you want to light. Let me go ahead and turn on the softbox on my left so you guys can see any improvement. Alright, so there we have the softbox on my left that is lit. The next thing that we want to do is go ahead and turn on the soft light on my right side so that you guys can see what difference that also makes. Alright, so I have turned on the softbox on my right, and by now I'm going to guess that there is too much light in here because we have a softbox on the left, a softbox on the right, these monitors in the background, and then we have the camera set to an ISO of 2500. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make adjustments to the camera to make sure that we lower that ISO and see if there's any other tweaks that I can make to make sure that the camera has the right look. For example, maybe I need to go from f5 to f6 or 7. But I'm going to go ahead and make those changes until I feel comfortable with the camera settings and how the image looks coming out of the camera with these two current lights currently turned on. And then we'll switch to the next look, which is the look that I usually rock on my channel. So this is the second look. We now have an ISO of 160 and an aperture of 2.2. This is where I'm going to leave it for the second scenario. We should be getting a lot of light in here. We have both soft boxes turned on, and we should be able to see a lot more details with regards to my face, the background. The background actually at this point should be a little more blurry, so what that should do is make me stand out a little more and give me a little crispier look so that you can focus on me. So hopefully there's not a lot of light reflecting on my face that is too harsh. This should be the right look. But, you know, you guys let me know if this is a look that you would like. Please comment below in the comment section and let me know if this is something you would rock. Also, one last thing that I want to let you guys know is I have not really discussed details in terms of what lighting I'm using, what brands, etc. I have a ring light and I have some soft boxes. And those are probably things that you guys want to know in detail. So if that's something you would want me to follow up in a separate video with, please let me know so that I can go ahead and record that video. On to my last look right now. This look is the one that I use for my channel, for my brand, and it is what I call my Netflix and chill look. I'm just kidding. The reason I say that is because it's a lot more low light sort of mood to get personal with you guys and make sure that we connect on a level so that you guys would want to return to my channel and watch again. That is the way that I like to set up my channel. I previously watched someone do a video like this where they were doing lighting, and based on the mood that they set, it kind of felt personal, like I knew that person and I wanted to return. So anyways, that is the last look that I'm going for. It's the one that I use on my channel, and let's go ahead and cut to that. Alright guys, so this is the look that I usually sport on my channel. Currently, we are at an ISO of 200 and an f1.8 aperture, and I've added a little touch. This little light behind me here is a light that I received as a parting gift from the Museum of Modern Art when I left, and I love this thing. It adds a nice little touch. By now, you should also see that the background is a little more blur, and if I get a little closer, you'll see it blur even more. So if you really wanted to get personal, you could get this close. Normally I record here, but let me just move on up a little bit to get a little more personal and maybe get more blur in the background with the depth of field, adjusting as I get closer to the camera and separate myself from the background. How is that? Let me know if that makes any difference. Anyways, guys, that is the video. I hope you found some value in this video. I hope you learned something. anyone out there that's learning how to shoot their YouTube videos and is learning about lighting, I'm hoping that this is a video that can help you. If you guys want me to go over all the equipment that I'm using in this video, I can. I didn't want to make this video too long, but leave in the comment section any remarks that you may have with regards to wanting me to record a follow-up video, and I will do that. I will go over all the lighting that I use, the brands and what they cost, etc. Anyways, guys, that is the video. I hope you have fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new. If you are not new, please hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.